Now for our final trick, we'll add React Bootstrap to our application to make this whole thing look pretty. Now, we have a couple steps to take when installing React Bootstrap onto our application. First off, navigate to a new browser tab and look up React Bootstrap. You should see a link that looks like this and eventually get to this website. There, you should see a couple steps to take after you navigate to getting started. For one, we need to install React Bootstrap through npm. So let's navigate to the terminal, and then we'll call npm install React Bootstrap save. It says next, we need to include the latest compiled and minified CSS file link within our HTML document. Go ahead and copy and paste just the first one. We don't want the optional one for now. And go to your index.html, and at the top, let's include a link right before the title, which is that minified CSS file. Go ahead and save, and in your application, if you reload, some of the text has already changed for us. Let's go ahead and check if it finished downloading, and there we go. We have React Bootstrap completely downloaded onto our node models. Now we can take advantage of some of these components. Navigate back to app.jsx, and we're going to import a few things. We're going to import the form component, form control component, as well as button component from React Bootstrap. Next, we're going to change up our input fields a little bit so that way we can have the React Bootstrap stylings that we want. We'll change this outer div to a form component. And this form will have a key of inline set to true. However, in React, if we ever have a key that's simply set to true, we can shorthand it by just saying the key, which is inline. Finally, we'll change this input, or next rather, not finally, we'll change this input to a form control component. And finally, this button will be a button. We'll save and reload. And there we go. Things are looking a little better. Next up, let's add a class name to the form control of deadline input. That way, we can control the font size of this input field. Let's go back to our CSS file. We'll have deadline input. We'll say that the font size is 25 pixels and it has a margin of 5 pixels. There we have updated styling. And let's resize this to see what it looks like. And there we can see that it's inline here. Let's change this to November 15, 2017. And it's looking really good. All right, it looks awesome. And we have a complete countdown application. Excellent work. You can change the default date to any holiday or your birthday or special day that you'd like. Have fun with it. There's a challenge portion and summary in the next piece, and in the next section, we will start an entirely new application that handles web requests in order to receive data and continue learning about the great front-end framework of React. See you there.